Hi Jason, this is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone earlier, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video to show you how to get new leads just from your website, as well as discuss your overall online presence with you. So to start, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks for three specific aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important aspect, is going to be content. Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. So this area here, a little bit here, a little bit there, but overall not a lot of content, right? So I'm going to give you an example and tell you why content is so important. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your number one search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds these content-rich sites, and naturally just starts moving them up the rankings. In doing so, and doing some research on some competition in your area, I'm going to recommend you have either 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Doing this will allow you to outrank your competition as well as be seen for appropriate keywords. With that said, on every additional service that you offer, we typically recommend that you put every service you offer on its own separate page. We do this for multiple reasons. Number one, for every new page that you add to your website, you add more content. And what do we know about content? Google loves it, right? So for every new page, you add between 750 to 1,000 words of content per service, as well as appropriately placed keywords in the text for the area that you live in. So for example, carpet cleaning, Troutman, and C would need to be somewhere in the content to be found for that keyword. And a keyword is anything that people type into the Google search. So that can range from a lot of things, but in your area, there's definitely a lot of keywords that are getting searched for a lot, and you want to make sure that those are included in your content. That way you can be found as a search option when those searches occur. Let me take it a step further here. This is Ahrefs, and it shows me just a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, only about 14 people are coming to your website every month, so not a ton of traffic. Part of it is because of the keywords we're ranking for. Let's have a look here. You can see that Regal carpet cleaning, 200 people are searching your business name every month, and you're at position number 3. With that said, in different areas, you're definitely on farther back pages, so you're not getting found in other areas as much as you could, but there's obviously other keywords that we want to rank for on your website that would get you found on multiple search options. So with that said, let's add some good content and some good keywords, and that's going to increase the amount of traffic that comes to your website. Next, let's talk about these two numbers that should be here. This UR is directly related to citations, and I did notice when I did a citation, so I looked up carpet cleaning, Troutman, and C, come to the Google map, you are number 1 on the GMB, which probably tells me that you didn't have to add a lot of citations to get there. I'm going to tell you why it's important to keep adding citations as well as the purpose behind it. So the more citations you have, the harder it is for anyone to ever beat you, which is what we want, correct? We want our business to stay in front of people, visible in front of as many people as possible. So maintaining this number 1 spot is going to be huge, okay? In doing so, this UR number should go up. The reason there is no number is because there probably wasn't a lot of citations there, but that's going to start giving us some data here to look at. And typically, what we like to see is when both of these numbers are going up, you have a lot of linear stability within your position on Google. So not a whole lot of ups and downs, like you're not at position 15 one day and then position 10 and then position 18 and then position 25 and then position 16. There's not a lot of fluctuation, okay? So both of these numbers increasing is going to keep that linear stability for you. So add more citations so that we can get this UR number increasing. And then this DR is directly related to backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere that your business's website is linkable and clickable on another business's website. In doing so, think Angie's List and HomeAdvisor.com. Good quality, trusted sites that have a lot of influence. The more influence we have pointing back to our site, this DR number is going to go up. And when both of these numbers go up and we're ranking for a lot of keywords, we get a ton of traffic to our business because this is going to direct specific search results to our keywords that we're ranking for, which is a huge benefit of having a lot of good backlinks pointing back to our keywords. That way you get found easier from people in your area doing their basic searches every month. Well, Jason, I hope this was good information for you. That's all I have for you today. Please take the time to send me a quick email. Just tell me what you thought about this video. I would appreciate it. And then I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.